This brand is made in Mexico by Carrier and the units are only sold through dealers in the USA and Canada. All of the units feature durable baked-on powder coat finishes to keep the units looking good for years to come, but they use a wire guard for protection of the condenser coil, which does not actually do much to protect the unit from debris thrown by a lawnmower or from hail. The Legacy Line 215S model is a low-cost heating and cooling option with an 8.1 HSPF heating efficiency, but their warranty is not very good when compared to other brands. In the premium category, the 227T model, part of their preferred series, offers two-stage operation, but the warranty on these units is not very good when compared to other brands. In the ultimate category, the 284ANV model, which is a part of their Evolution Extreme system, has the ability to communicate with the rest of the home's heating and cooling parts to maximize comfort and efficiency all year long. It also features their Aero Quiet system as well as soft start and smooth ramp up to operating speed, which makes it very quiet. They have a quiet mode feature which caps the sound levels from the outdoor unit at 69 decibels, but this seems like a marketing gimmick more than a useful feature. They have a very good 10.5 heating efficiency and are backed by their Red Shield guarantee, which includes 10-year unit replacement if the compressor fails. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.